How to see saved passwords on iPhone. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you are new here, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and turn on the notification bell to not miss any updates. So, do you want to see your saved passwords but don't know where it is? Then you're in the right place. Let's dive right in. So there is a built-in app in iPhone called Passwords. So if it is not already installed, then go to your app store and install the Passwords app. Then hit open. Now you'll need your Face ID to unlock the app. Now here you will see your passwords, passkeys, codes, Wi-Fi, even security concerns and your deleted passwords. Now if you want to check all of your passwords, then you'll need to go to all. Here you'll be able to see all the apps that you have saved your passwords. Now if you want to view a password of a certain app, then tap on the app and you'll need to tap on the password section and then it will scan your Face ID again and then you'll be able to view your passwords. And that's it. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel for more tips and tricks. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.